Friends, I gave the same sourcing task to 2 AI tools, and one generated suggestions, but the other found real suppliers, drafted outreach emails, and helped us collect product quotes with nearly 40% estimated margins in under 20 minutes. I am Daniel, and today we're testing Accio work against a traditional AI workflow to see which one actually moves a business task forward instead of only generating text. Unlike a typical chatbot, this platform is built around execution. So in this video, we'll build a real workflow inside Accio work and compare it directly with Claude Cowork side by side. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, you can download Accio work for desktop there and unlock extra bonus credits as well. Let's jump right in. Folks, let's start with the basics. Accio work isn't just another AI tool. It's a workspace designed around real business execution instead of only generating text or suggestions. The system is built to handle workflows like sourcing, outreach, research, and operations inside a single environment. Accio work is the Claude and Cowork that actually makes money and executes real business. Mates, the key idea here is that you're not just chatting with AI. You're working with a system designed to help operate parts of a real business workflow with actual execution built into the process. Friends, let's see how this works in practice. Instead of manually searching for factories, we start by creating a dedicated sourcing agent directly inside Accio work. I configure the agent as an e-commerce sourcing expert and select Claude Sonnet 4 as the model provider. Then I enable only the operational tools needed for this workflow, including sourcing, web research, Gmail utilities, memory, and planning. Next, I activate the sourcing and market analysis skills. Instead of enabling every category, I only keep the tools relevant for supplier sourcing, competitor analysis, and product evaluation. Now we define the actual business context. In this case, we are building a premium eco-friendly workspace brand, so the workflow prioritizes FCS-certified suppliers and higher-end positioning. Once the setup is finished, I launch the agent and verify the connected systems. Gmail and Alibaba are already integrated, so now the workflow can move directly into execution. Folks, the agent immediately starts web research, supplier analysis, and sourcing comparisons using live marketplace data. Within minutes, it organizes everything into structured sourcing phases and prepares a supplier report automatically. Next, I ask the workflow to generate professional supplier outreach emails. The Gmail utilities we enabled earlier have now become part of the operational flow directly inside the workflow, and this is where the human-in-the-loop system becomes important. Instead of automatically sending emails, the workflow asks for approval before contacting suppliers, keeping strategic control on the human side. Once approved, the system generates professional supplier outreach drafts directly inside Gmail, including sourcing requirements, certification requests, and branding details. Market Insights becomes especially useful here because it connects trend analysis with competitor research instead of relying only on generic recommendations. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, we define the business context in which the workflow will operate. We are building a premium eco-friendly workspace brand, which helps the system prioritize FSC-certified suppliers and structure outreach around higher-end positioning. Friends, now let's compare both systems using the exact same sourcing task. Accio work immediately starts product research and supplier analysis, while Claude Cowork mainly responds with follow-up questions and strategic suggestions. Within minutes, the tool calculates projected margins close to 50%, analyzes logistics, and identifies real sourcing opportunities. This is where the difference becomes obvious. One system generates ideas, while the other moves into operational execution. To make this work, we connected Alibaba and Gmail through connectors and enabled professional sourcing insight skills. This gives the workflow access to live supplier and market data instead of static recommendations. Friends, on the channel page, we can connect sales channels directly into the workflow. This turns the agent into part of the actual commerce cycle instead of another isolated AI chat. Meanwhile, Cloud Cowork generates a strong written response with product positioning ideas and a ready-to-send supplier email. But Accio work goes much further. It analyzes real supplier databases, compares sourcing conditions, and estimates projected net profits of around $22 per unit. The workflow also prepares the outreach draft directly inside Gmail. From there, we simply review the request, authorize access, and send everything with one click. No critical action happens without human approval. This is the human-in-the-loop model in practice. The workflow handles repetitive operational work, while final decisions and strategic control remain on our side. Mates, now we scale the process further, using scheduled tasks. I create a daily market briefing workflow that automatically monitors competitor pricing and new trends in the ergonomic accessories niche. What previously required at least an hour of manual research every morning now runs automatically in the background. I schedule the workflow before the start of each workday, click Create, and every morning the system generates a structured report with updated numbers, sourcing changes, and market insights before we even open the laptop. Guys, the reports are then organized inside channels, where the workflow keeps supplier updates, competitor activity, and sourcing conversations structured in one place. Instead of restarting the research process every morning, the system keeps collecting and organizing operational data continuously in the background. Folks, what really stood out to me here is the difference between generating ideas and actually executing business workflows. When comparing Accio work against traditional AI tools, the biggest gap wasn't intelligence, it was execution. One mostly produced suggestions, while the other actively handled sourcing, supplier research, outreach, and operational tasks inside the real workflow. And once you see things like verified suppliers, outreach emails, supplier replies, and scheduled workflows running inside the same system, it starts feeling much closer to an actual business operator than a normal chatbot. I personally see this less as another AI tool and more as a shift toward AI systems that can participate in real business execution while still keeping humans involved in critical decisions. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where you can download Accio Work for Desktop and unlock extra bonus credits. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.